For our little earbuds case, you are going to need a few coordinating fabrics. I have brought my scrap bin in, so I'm just gonna pull them and we're gonna die cut. You're gonna wanna use the nested hexagon dies. This is what's gonna make the shape of our earbud case. I'm also using the zips on a roll because you can see our little pouch has a great little zipper here. So I'll use this for the liner since I've just got enough for 2 pieces of that. And I'll use this for the exterior since I've got a little bit more, and I will iron on my interfacing. Make sure everything fits. Yep, my plastic shim and then my top plate. Haha, it makes such quick work and such perfect cuts. With the top of my hexagon, I'm actually going to cut it in half. And that's because I need a place for the zipper to go. Okay, so I've cut my zipper, I've got my 2 pieces for my top. I also want to cut 2 pieces of the lining fabric. So if I'm laying my zipper in front of me like this, I'm going to bring my piece and have it laying over top of the entire zipper. On the other side, I'm going to do the exact same step. I'm going to line up the bottom. So I've got my liner fabric and my outer fabric on either side of the zipper. Slow stitches to start, and then I went 3 back to lock it in. And when I get to the part where my zipper is going to be in the way, I'm just moving it up slightly. Just make sure you're not running it off the track. So again, I'm going to go right over it, this time top stitching. And then I'll do the other side. But look at how beautiful that is. It's nice and top stitched, everything is even, nice and neat on the inside too. Look at how nice and flat this one is and how this one just springs up. That's why the pressing and the top stitching is really important. So I'm going to press this and top stitch it. So now you can pin or clip, whichever you've got. And once I get to a point, I'm going to stop. I'm going to lift my presser foot and pivot, keeping about a 1/4 inch seam again. And then just meet up to your original stitches and back stitch. But you can definitely trim off any extra bulk. Definitely want to trim off the ends of the zipper. All right, you guys hanging in here? Almost done. Aww.